Hey class, this is my fast five things you need to know this week. Number one, Unit 1.11 assignments lock tomorrow, February 14th at 11:59 p.m. So happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you get them turned in. Check out the link below if you're watching on YouTube or in the email if you're watching this in the email for some help with that. Number two, the social solutions assignments were due last Friday. If you're not sure how to complete those yet, there's also a link in the comments on YouTube or in the email that I sent you. And if you're in 11th grade, number three, make sure you sign up for the ACT if you haven't yet. There's also a link for that below or in the email. And number four, you guys are awesome and you matter. Our social solutions projects are making a difference. So check out at UTV Inspires on Instagram to see some evidence of that. And number five, final item for today. Do you need Microsoft Office? You can get it for free through the school because you're awesome and you're a student. It only takes a few minutes. There's also a link to a video on how to do that below or in the email. So check it out. Have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in class.